Hello, and welcome to this famous chess puzzle from Richard Réti in 1921. Looks like white's blown it, but in fact, there is a move that you can do that will draw the game for white. You get to choose from pushing the pawn or moving the king to one of these three spaces. If you try to advance your pawn, the black king can cover it, and if you promote to a queen, the black king can take back. And then you can't catch the black pawn, so the black pawn can go on to promote to a queen, and then you will lose the game. You immediately try to chase the black pawn by moving your king to h7. Black can cover your pawn, but you can't actually ever catch the black pawn. So after they promote to a queen, you have to move away with your king. The black king then takes your pawn, and you'll lose the game. And obviously, moving to g7 is a bad move because the king's not doing anything there, and you'll lose the pawn, and then the black will go on to win the game this way. So the solution to this one is actually to move your king to g7. When black moves towards your pawn, you then move diagonally to f6. Black advances their pawn. You can then move to e5. This point, if black takes your pawn, you can move in to take the black pawn, and then you get a draw this way. So by moving diagonally, you're sort of keeping your options open to support your own pawn or attack the black pawn. So here when we move to e5, if black starts to promote their pawn instead of taking your pawn, you can then move up to support your pawn. Black keeps pushing, you can then push your pawn. Black does get the queen, and then you can also promote to a queen, and then this will be a drawn endgame too. Okay, that's the end of this video. Please like and subscribe, and I hope to see you again soon.